Hello students, welcome to my channel SST The Necessity. This is Archana Kapoor and today I am going to start the topic Anglo-Maratha Wars for class 8th. Anglo-Maratha Wars were three wars fought between the Marathas and the East India Company during the period between 1775 to 1818. The main causes of these wars were internal problems of the Marathas and the growing ambition of the British. Let's know about the first war. In 1775, British wanted to sign an alliance with aspiring Peshwa Raghunath Rao against Madhav Rao II. Madhav Rao II was supported by Maratha chiefs and Raghunath Rao got help from the British. British provided him 2500 men. To whom? To Raghunath. And in return they got Salsette and Bassein from him. The war ended with the Treaty of Salbai in 1782. It gave the British 20 years of peace with the Marathas. Let's know about Second War. In 1801, there was a conflict among the Marathas over Peshwaship. Peshwa, it was a title of leader of Marathi kingdom. Peshwa Bajirao II entered the subsidiary alliance with the British and got British protection against Jaswant Rao Holkar. So what was subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance, it was the British policy of providing military assistance to Indian rulers in exchanging of paying for army maintenance. It means the Indian rulers who signed this alliance, they provided help to the British by maintaining the British army, and in return the Indian rulers got the British help. So then as soon as Peshwa Bajirao II signed this alliance, so Jaswant Rao Holkar, he was against him, but as the British provided help to Bajirao II, Holkar was defeated and Bajirao II signed a treaty with the British. This treaty was disliked by other Maratha chiefs, the Scindias and Bhosles, and that became the main cause of Second Anglo-Maratha War. And Marathas, they were not able to face the disciplined British army, and war ended with the defeat of Marathas and British got large territories. Let's know about the third war. In second war, we know that Bajirao II, he got the support from the British, but now he did not like his subordinate position under the British. That's why he tried to unite the Maratha chiefs against the British, but he was failed. He had to surrender and the British abolished the position of Peshwa, and now Marathas were limited to the small kingdom of Satara. Now it was the end of mighty Maratha power. Thank you very much. I hope you like this. If you like my channel, please subscribe it.